Hello, I'm going to be showing you how you can manipulate views inside a CRM so that you can see the data exactly how you want to see it. Some of those features include editing the filters for a view, as well as editing the columns for that view. And you can do both of these as well. So you can start from a system view such as My Active Accounts, like I'm showing right now, and you can manipulate and modify this view to expand or decrease the scope of what you're looking to see. So I'm going to start off, I'm going to edit my filters, then I'm going to add some additional columns to this view. So from a filter perspective, when I click Edit Filters in the top right corner of the view, it's going to give me a little flyout, and it's going to show me what filters have been applied to the view that I'm currently looking at. In this case, it is My Active Account, so it's looking to where I am the owner, as well as the status is active. I'm going to change this, and I'm going to add an additional row, and I want an additional filter related to the city, where the city equals Draper. I'm actually going to change this to contains. When I hit apply, it's going to modify this view that I'm looking at with a total of 80 rows, and it's going to filter it down into a subset of what that should be. So now it's going to take my 80 rows, and now I'm looking at a view of 9 rows. Next up, what I'm going to do is edit my columns. So I can take any of the existing columns that are on this view, like let's say, for example, I want primary contact to be my first column, and I can adjust the order of these columns from here. I can also add additional columns from the table that I'm looking at, and I'm just going to select a couple of them. I'm not really too worried about which ones I'm selecting. So those are all from my account record, but I can also add rows from my related tables as well. So in this case, I'm not going to worry about any of that, but you can add those columns. So I'm going to hit close. I'm going to hit apply. And as you can see, my columns are going to be adjusted. They've been reorganized, and it's still honoring that filter. So without making a ticket to IT to adjust an out-of-the-box view, specifically for that's a system view, so that I can see data in a specific way that I want to see it, I can have IT give me a view that is all-encompassing, and then I can modify it to meet my specific needs from a personal view standpoint.